Hello, my name is Aditi Zadav. I am from 26th Feb batch. My today's subject is full stack development. A full stack development is a process of developing process of developing uh, process of developing both front end and the back end any application have the any application has the front ends means user interface components, and the back end means database and the logical components. The front end the front the front end the front end the front end required the code for the user interface. The front end contains the code for the user interface, and it is required to the user interacting with the applications. The backend backend the backend contain the backend contain the all code the backend contain the all code the backend contain the all code is required to run to run including interact including uh, including integrations of the including integrations of the applications, communicating with the other applications, and the processing a data. A software developer The software developer have the both the software developer required different skills, tools, software knowledge for the software knowledge of the front end and the back end applications. Front end and the back end applications front end and the back end a full stack development that the full stack development that a full stack development a full stack a full stack development a full stack development is a full stack development is a applications for a is a software is a software applications that enforces both front end and the back end in a single code base in a single code base in a single code base in a single code. A full stack developer is a adept of handling both handling the multiple aspects handling the multiple aspects handling the aspects of a project of a project of a project from user interface side to the from for user interface side server side paging, and the development and the development sorry and the database connection and the database management and the database and the database management and the database management. A full stack developer is communicating with the front end and the back end front end and the back end from user front end and the back end front end and the back end teams front end and the back end teams to organize and manage a data manage a data The technologies of the technologies of a full stack developer is changing is the depend change is depending on the focus area. This is the depending on the focus area. The difference between the front end and the back end is the front end is the front end is a user interface. A front end is focuses on the user interface. A front end is focuses on the user interface sides of the developers, and the common languages of the front ends are HTML means hypertext markup language. CSS means cascading style sheet, and the JavaScript and the backend is a backend technologies. The backend technologies coordinate with the backend technologies coordinate with the exchange the information exchange the in, exchange the backend technologies coordinate the front end of the information front end and of information bit front end information. The common languages of the backend is the common languages is hypertext preprocessing means PHP, uh, PHP, Python, Java, Ruby, etc. Thank you.